Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're in San Antonio, Texas at the Total Archery Challenge. We're going to check out some vendors and some booths and stuff, and we're going to shoot the course. So thanks for joining, thanks for watching, and we appreciate it. Don't matter. We're early.
Can we start?
What time do you guys?
My knock time was like 2:30.
Ours is 2, so we're right before you.
Yeah.
What time is it now?
1:51.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
There's dust on all the windows.
Including on camera.
Not fall or filming cactus.
Shot, that was fun.
Target.
Yeah.
That's massive. I didn't think it was that big.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
22 yards or so.
It's a branch right across the vitals, basically. Or the shoulder, at least. Yeah, we're like, oh, an easy one. Yeah, right. Just kidding.
32 of them.
32. Oh, I think you still got the target, but you hit the.
It bounced off that way.
You still hit him though.
Excellent.
That's an awesome shot, actually. So it just ricocheted off the branch, basically, but he did.
Hey, don't take it out yet, hon.
Okay.
Hey, that's what she said.
Breeze comes when I don't want it.
You hate to complain about it, though.
Yeah, it's just a joke.
Target.
Look good.
I think I am. I have some sunscreen on here.
Yeah. You remember that time we were at the beach?
Yeah, it's coming back to me. That, and I know we're gonna be out here again tomorrow, and I don't want to be miserable.
Yeah.
Look low.
Sounded good.
It's like a bear.
A bear?
Yeah.
I can't even tell what it is from over here.
I think they walked off there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear.
I didn't see anybody up there when I looked.
To the right.
Yeah.
Whenever it does get thick, so you keep saying, look at me.
What are the chances of... What is that, like a little tube in the neck of it?
Look at plastic.
Yeah.
That's one way not to lose an arrow.
What's his catheter or something?
What is it?
His catheter.
It took me a second to even see it. That's crazy.
Thank you.
You might want to bend test that one.
Yeah, that's still good.
I'm being honest. I didn't
Baby
even
bear.
aim for. I just aimed for center of foam. And
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Cool. It is 8, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Yup. We've got something resembling a
Big old mule deer.
mule deer.
70 yards.
Nice.
Nice.
Good shot.
It was 70?
Yeah.
Nice shot. What'd you read?
62. 60.
It's like the equivalent of AC right now.
Are you taking a picture?
Y'all both had nice shots. Well, decent shots, yeah, for sure. Just a little forward and a little up. Cool.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. I brought that arrow puller thinking I was going to need it.
Oh, there are some.
Yeah.
We had some last year that were really hard to pull out.
That's what she said.
One of the centers came out with it. That was pretty funny. The armadillo, I think.
Yeah.
The very last one.
Good job.
This is 13, right?
Yes.
We've got a bedded ram? What is that? A bedded.
I don't know. It's got all kinds of problems around it.
Bedded ram.
Boom.
Sounded good.
Damn, that's a nice shot. Nice, for sure.
Heck yeah.
74 yards. What do we have? Sheep again?
There's a hole. You gotta
Oh, a
shoot
goat.
through.
A mountain
Mountain
goat.
goat.
Mountain goat.
Yeah, that was tough.
Yeah, there's a little hole you gotta shoot through.
Oh,
I think I hit it.
Underneath it, I think.
Underneath.
It went over.
Over.
you made it 14 stations, dude. That's pretty sick. 70 something, right? Is that what you said?
74 yards. Yeah. Under it.
I think so.
Yeah.
The mountain goat got both y'all. See if we can recover these arrows. Please be intact.
Under it.
Yeah.
Mine's probably smoking, not worried about it.
Looks good on the other side. The middle's
There's
fine.
a bunch of them over here with pieces everywhere.
Oh, I'm sure. Do the bendy test?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Ooh, you lucky. How many you got? 3 left?
Yeah.
On to the next one.
What is it? I don't know.
17.
Nice.
And Brandon's down to 1 arrow.
Yeah.
I thought you had 2.
That one has the tip missing. Only got 8 stations to go. You can do it. And Brandon's down to 1 arrow.
Yeah.
I thought you had 2.
That one has the tip missing. Only got 8 stations to go. You can do it. What are you reading?
What'd you get on that one?
43?
Yeah.
Okay. Target.
We hit foam.
7 more to go.
We hit bone. It seems like every time I hit one in the backbone, you get it
In the leg.
Thanks, sir.
All right. 19.
All right.
Who maps this stuff out? Is what I want to know.
Bunch of jerks.
Like how they figure out where to put stuff, how to lead people to the next thing, to get them all back to where we started.
Nice. Y'all both hit. Good job.
I think mine's a little low, but it still hit
You
foam.
still hit it.
Still saved it. Low, but what?
Low, we got foam.
Low, but we got foam. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's a good one.
Where'd you hit?
Low.
In his leg again.
Hell on them legs.
It's a nice shot, though.
Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah. 41 yards through the woods.
Make sure you didn't get to grandma's house. Money.
Yeah, put that back in the thing.
God.
Oh,
Hit the tree.
that's it. Oh yeah, it went right into the tree. Hey, at least that's the way to go out. Good gosh. In there like swimwear.
I wasn't the only one.
Oh no.
No.
Can you unscrew?
So how's day one?
Well, we lost more arrows than we did last year on the first day, but we chose a little bit harder course this year. So, I mean, overall, it was pretty good. A lot of stuff I need to work on, obviously. Just shooting the distance and getting better tuned in with my bow and me. I mean, 20 and 30 yards are easy, but once you get out to that 50, 60, your mistakes are amplified. So, a little tired. Put in about 4.5, almost 5 miles. Do a little sweat. I mean, it's 80 degrees and it is humid here in San Antonio. So, it was a good time. We'll be back again tomorrow to shoot the Sitka course at 11:30. So hopefully it'll be a little cooler than the 2:30 time we shot today. But
And Jared's
thanks for
joining
watching.
us. Jared's joining us.
Yeah, and Jared will be here too tomorrow. He's off hunting turkeys right now, so hopefully we'll be getting a text from him with bird down or something like that. So that'll be cool. But anyways, appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot, and then you get notified when we drop new videos. So see you tomorrow.